How to see all your comments on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can see all of your comments that you've made on your Facebook. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Right besides the subscribe button, you'll also find a bell icon which you can press to get notified whenever we release a new tutorial video. Now let's begin. So to see all your comments on Facebook, first you will need to open up your Facebook. So open up your Facebook first. After you've done that, you can then head over to the bottom right corner on the menu option. Tap on menu and you should be on your menu section. What you'll then need to do is tap on the gear icon on the top right. After you tap on the gear icon, you'll be on your settings and privacy. Scroll down from here and there you should find an option that says your activity. You'll find a section there and you'll also find your activity log. Tap on activity log. After you're there, you can see different options. You'll need to head over to activity history, which is at the right side of this options. Tap on activity history. And after you tap on it, you can find all of your activities that you've done on your Facebook. So it can take some time to load and there we go. Now from here, you can also filter out your different activities. So tap on filter. Then choose categories. And from here, you can find your Facebook activity. Expand on that. And there you'll see comments and reactions. So expand on that as well. And here, simply select comments. After you've selected that, you will see all of the comments that you have made. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.